everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Twitch to Streamlabs to activate your donation or tip page. Head over to streamlabs.com and go to your dashboard. Make sure to sign up or log in first. Once we're here, look over to the left side panel. You should see the Earn and Grow section. Under that, click on Tipping to enter the tipping page. At the top, you'll see My Tips. And right next to it, there's a notice telling you to link a streaming platform to activate your tip page. Before we proceed, make sure your Twitch account is already logged in. Click on the notice. It will bring us to the settings page where you'll see all the available platforms that you can connect to. The first one is Twitch, and right across that is a purple button that says Merge. Click on that. A new window will pop up explaining what Streamlabs will do to your Twitch account. Scroll down to view the whole page, and at the bottom, you could see the word Authorize and click on that. You'll be taken back to the Settings Platforms page, and now your Twitch channel name should appear beside the Twitch text. That means it's connected. If you want to finish setting up donations on Streamlabs, check out the next video where we cover how to link PayPal to your tipping page.